welcome to my blog. Let's make life more beautiful. Today we shall take a look at integrating Dynamics 365 Omnichannel with Twitter. Before I start, let me give you a quick background for Omnichannel. Omnichannel offers a suite of capabilities that extend the power of Dynamics 365 Customer Service Enterprise to enable organizations to instantly connect and engage with their customers across digital messaging channels. It can be Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, WeChat, etc. For this tutorial, you need to have at least Dynamics 365 customer service trial instance and need to have all the necessary licenses and roles assigned to the users. Please take a look at the list of prerequisites mentioned in my blog. So let us start. First, you need to have a Twitter account. I have already logged into my Twitter account. Next, you need to set your privacy settings. So go to more options, then click on settings and privacy. Next, privacy and settings. Then enable receive messages from anyone. Try to disable show read receipts as well. Next, what you need to do, you also need to apply for developer account for Twitter. So how do we do? So let me take you through a PowerPoint presentations. You just need to log into this website. Next, you need to click on apply for developer account. Next, it will ask you what is your primary reason for using Twitter developer tools. So for this I have selected building tools for Twitter users. Next, you need to click on the next button. Then it will take you to this page where it will show you the details of the user. It can be your email ID and all other details. So you need to select your country here. So select your country, and you also need to mention what would you like us to call you, okay, the name for the account. So you need to mention that here. Then after filling up, go to the next screen. Next screen, it will ask you to enter the reasons why you need the developer account. So fill up all these necessary details. Please provide as much as details as possible. Once done, it will ask you to review. Next, it will ask you to accept the terms and conditions. Finally, it will say that once your Twitter developer account is approved, you will get an email. So this is done. As you can see, already have my Twitter account. Okay, it has I got the approval from Twitter. So next thing I need to do is create an app. So let me go ahead and create an app. Let me give you a name for it. Okay, so the name what I would like to give is CRM Twitter app. Okay, so next I need to mention the reason here why I need. Okay, okay, I need to mention the website for which I need to apply. So let me just go ahead and give a sample website. Okay, that's all. So this is done. I don't fill up any other details, so probably here I'll just mention it should be minimum 100 characters. So you need to give details like that you need to integrate with Dynamics 365. Integrate with Dynamics 365 Omnichannel for demo purpose. Okay, so what I need to do is I will copy all the things here and I just that's it. So let me go ahead and create this. Say create app name is already in use, so let me just change the app name. Now I have created my app. So what I need to do is, like, I have already logged into OmniChannel. OmniChannel administrator. So I just navigate to Twitter. Let me go ahead and create a new Twitter account. Now I click on new button. So it's yet to load. I click on new button. So it will ask me to accept the terms and conditions. Let me go ahead and accept. Okay, now it's asking me to enter the API key. So where do I get this API key? So I go here, take the API key from here. Next, I copy the secret key from here and paste it here. Okay, that's all I need to do. So let me go ahead and save this record. Okay, I just need to mention the environment name. Sorry, so before I proceed, I've created the new app, so I need a new dev environment. So let me go ahead. I've already created a new dev environment. All I need to do is like just copy this name and paste it here. Click on save. Once the record is saved, a URL will be generated. This is the callback URL. I just need to copy this callback URL, come back to Twitter account, then I just need to go to my apps, open this app, click on edit. Next I just need to copy paste here, then save. So I have successfully updated the callback URL. Let me navigate back to CRM. Next, I need to create a new Twitter handle. So let me go ahead and create a new Twitter handle. So it will ask me to enter the name. Next, I need to sign into Twitter. So let me go ahead and sign into Twitter. Let me enter my password. Let me click on authorize app. So this will take some time. So once done, it will populate the Twitter handle for me if it is successful. So once this is done, you have completed all your setup. All you need to do next is just log into OmniChannel and somebody tweets, then you will be able to receive those messages. So I will just show you that in a moment. Now after authenticating, right, the Twitter handle, this record will populate the data. Once this is done, you need to set the work stream. So let me take you to the work stream. I have created a new work stream here. Name I have given as Twitter, channel as Twitter, capacity 30. Then auto close after inactivity I have set to 1 hour. Next I have created routing rules. So let me take you to a routing rule. So in the routing rule, I have specified the queue name. I have given it Twitter queue, and I have also specified the condition how it needs to be routed. So it's when the context consists of Twitter, then you route to this queue. So it's taking some time, let it load. Meanwhile, let me take you to my Twitter app. As you can see here in the permissions tab, you just need to set the permission for read, write and direct messages. So I have saved it. It is successfully updated. Next, now as you can see, Twitter engagement context conversation where the customer name equals to Twitter. So I have set this condition in my rule item. So once this is done, I have set up the Twitter account in CRM. Next, the customers, I have logged in as one of the customer. Okay, let me take you to that account. I have logged in as one of the customer. Suppose now customer wants to chat with you, so you need to go on messages, select that customer. Next they need to send a message. That's it. Now once this is done, I will start receiving the messages here in OmniChannel. So once done, this is how we are going to configure. So as you can see, I have received the incoming conversation. Let me go ahead and accept. As an agent, I have already logged into OmniChannel. Now it's going to load the conversation chat window. Just to give it a moment. As you can see, I have got this message. So when I go back to my Twitter account, so I have typed this message, same message has appeared. So let me acknowledge. There we go. So once done, the customer will receive the acknowledgement. From there you can start your conversation with your customer. You can address their queries and you can fulfill their queries. So this is how you're going to integrate OmniChannel with the Twitter account. Thank you all for watching this video. Please do leave your comments. Bye.